What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. Hope you guys are having a good day, because I know I am. But anyways, what I'm going to be doing today is nothing too major, but it is something that needs to be done, because if not, everything will go fucking sideways real quick. But what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be just tightening everything up, making sure everything's good, fixing a couple things here and there, and then I don't know, whatever else needs to be done in the meantime while I'm waiting for a couple more parts. But for now, we got mostly everything installed. We just need the charge pipes and well, half of the charge pipes, and then the hood. We're gonna go with hood exit exhaust and the wastegate tubing and everything. But for now, we're just gonna get everything good, ready for when that comes. That just gets on, put on quick, and then after that, we'll be pretty much good to go. But we still need to get the wheels done. That's one more thing. Still looking for hardware for that, but I think I found a place, and I'm gonna be ordering from them real soon. But anyways, let's continue. Alright, so it looks like we have a problem. The turbo came with this gasket, and then the headers came with this gasket. Now, I don't know which gasket to use. I don't know if it matters. This little line is the main thing. This one has a little, because the headers have that, and this one, it's empty. So I don't know which one to use. I'm like, I'll have to double check something. I'll have to check some stuff out, because I'm aiming towards this one, but I'm not sure yet. So I'll have to figure it out. So I just went ahead and put this gasket on because it has this little center divider, so I feel like it's more fitting to it. Now we're just not gonna put on the turbo yet, but hopefully there's enough space to get these on here.
Suck your dick for an orange.
What the fuck? Alright, so I finished up with the car for right now. I got everything that I needed to, like, straightened out, lines ran. The only line I didn't run was the oil drain line, only because the adapter that goes to the turbo, the bolts aren't long enough or big enough to, like, to, you know, tighten up. And then I got everything else tightened up, what I needed to tighten up, made sure everything was good, cleaned up a bit. What else? I think that's about it for right now. Like I said, I'm waiting for a couple parts to come. Other than that, I mean, I'm gonna continue the day. If not, I mean, I don't know. We'll see what we got planned for today. I got some shirts to make and then deliver later on. I don't know. We'll see what else we got going on for today. Look at all these orders we got. Got more orders. Alright, you guys, right now we're on our way to go deliver more shirts to these locals. If you guys have not copied your own Meister Company t-shirt, I don't know what you're doing right now with your life. Go ahead and pause the video, or if not, keep it in the background, but go ahead and click the links down below. Go ahead and add one. I don't know, just go ahead and buy one. Like, just buy one. Go ahead and hit Meister. I think it's Meister for 10% off your first purchase, or any kind of order, I guess you can say. But go ahead and down below, hit the link.